All right, you're doing 2 boxes of 13-14 signatures for NoahScottParker. Thank you very much, and good luck to you. All right, out of 249, Patrick Patterson, film auto. And Dirk film, 30 out of 35. Like this. And Dwight Howard base out of 25. That is 11 out of 25. Draft card is pick 24. And it's a redemption. Good luck. Film rookies autographs, card 15. Nice, Giannis. It is a redemption, yes. There you go. And box 2, good luck. And Emerald Larry Bird film, 2 of 5. Followed by here. Oh, nice. Pick 2. Boxes are 88. And your auto. What a box. Peyton Siva, Emerald, 2 of 5. Bird Emerald, Siva Emerald, and pick 2. And 175, Jamal Mashburn as a Hornet. Oh, the auto, the last one? And this should be just film, right? Why not? Kyrie Irving, Emerald, 2 of 5. Jersey number. That was probably... I don't know what that Mashburn's doing in that box. Maybe I'll show Panini the video. They kind of messed up on that. You got Bird, 2 of 5 film. Kyrie, 2 of 5. Siva, 2 of 5 auto. Pick 2. And for some reason, they threw that in there. Thank you very much. No, that was one of the better boxes of signatures I think I've ever... Well, it's probably the best box I've seen. Mashburn's a decoy. Thank you very much, Noah.